In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Rocket Money online banking password. First, we'll start by navigating to the Rocket Money login page. This is an essential step because it's the gateway to accessing your account settings. To get there, open your preferred web browser and type in the official Rocket Money website address. Once you've arrived at the website, look for the Login button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the login area. Now, if you've forgotten your password, there's no need to worry. Right beneath the login fields, there's a Forgot Password link. Click on that and it will direct you to the password recovery page. This page is designed to guide you through the recovery process, so it's straightforward and user-friendly. Make sure to have your registered email address handy as you'll need it in the next step. On the password recovery page, you'll find a field where you can enter your email address. This is the same email address associated with your Rocket Money account. Type it in carefully to avoid any typos, as errors here could prevent you from receiving the reset link. Once you've filled in the field with your email address, you'll notice a Send Email button. Click on it to receive the password reset link in your inbox. Next, check your email inbox for the reset password link. Sometimes these emails might land in your spam or junk folder, so be sure to check there if you don't see it in your main inbox. Once you locate the email, open it and look for the link to reset your password. This is a crucial step as this link will take you back to Rocket Money's secure site where you can set a new password. With the link in hand, follow it and you'll be taken to the password reset page. Here, you'll have the opportunity to create a new password. When choosing a new password, ensure it's strong and secure. Using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols is often a good practice for enhancing security. After entering your new password, double check it to confirm that there aren't any mistakes, then save it. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your Rocket Money online banking password. Remember to store your new password in a safe place or consider using a password manager if you're worried about remembering it. With these steps, managing your online banking security is simple and efficient, allowing you to continue enjoying the services offered by Rocket Money with peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.